Okay, hey, this is Wes Bailey again. We are talking about divorces and how to get an immediate divorce. So there's a few ways to get an immediate divorce. Louisiana applies, three different ways. An immediate, no waiting is one if you've already waited. So let's say you've been separated and you never got reconciled, and it's been 2 years. Well, you can file for a divorce and get the ball rolling to finalize your divorce immediately. Okay. Of course, there's going to be some time whenever you file with the clerk's office and you have to get the paperwork done. That takes a little bit of time, but aside from that, you don't have to wait the standard time period, the 365 days, the 180 days. You don't have to wait that time period. So the time's already up and you're ready to get your divorce. That's one way. Second way, has your spouse, and this male or female, doesn't matter who, has been convicted of a felony for which they must serve hard time. So if they are in jail, in the pen, so to speak, and they've been sentenced to hard time and they're not coming back home for a while, you can get an immediate divorce from that person. The third way is adultery, of course, is if you catch your spouse in the act. And adultery is something that must be proven by evidence. You cannot just agree that you both committed adultery to get an immediate divorce. It's not going to fly in the court. You must have third-party evidence that will actually corroborate the adultery. So what you want is pretty gruesome, but you want a video, you want a tape, you want some photographic images, something that shows that beyond a preponderance of evidence that this is an adultery that is going on. And sometimes it's easy to prove, sometimes it's not, and sometimes you have that evidence, but if not, that's what you got to do. And then the third way is actually a new one that's been given to the law, which is the victim, the spouse has become a victim of domestic violence that has been instituted by the other party. So if the other spouse or the other person has been committing domestic violence and you can prove that you've had domestic violence issues, then you can get an immediate divorce in that way and form as well. So give us a call, Wes Bailey, 337-404-7716, or you can find us on the web at wesbailey.net. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope that helped.